the counsels of Vice President Sara Duterte, Fortuna Narvasa Salazar, and Attorney Michael Wesley Poa submitted a letter explaining the Vice President's absence today and their absence as well as counsels for the Vice President. And I will read the main basis for their objection to attending today. Under these circumstances and considering the public statements made by the chairperson, it appears that the committee intends to conduct a trial. I think, Madam Chair, the House Committee on Justice should confront this accusation squarely today. This particular position of the counsels and of the Vice President herself is basically a legal word salad. Ibig sabihin po, wala po itong batayan sa katotohanan. Ito po ay legal na pagpapalusot para lusutan na naman pong muli ang pagpapanagot sa mga impeachable offenses laban sa atin pong pangalawang Pangulo. Yung pong paggamit ng mini-trial ng ilan po sa mga kinatawan ng komite pong ito ay para lamang po sa pagpapaliwanag sa atin pong mga kababayan nung pong pagtakbo ng proseso po na impeachment. Particular, ito pong hearing proper, at more particularly, to make a distinction from the actual trial which will happen at the Senate. No? So, tingin ko yun lang po yung malinaw po na distinction dito po sa bagay po na ito. And Madam Chair, there is nothing in the rules and the proceedings that we have today which can in fact be considered as unconstitutional.